is a hydraulic system.
A system that uses hydraulics, I should imagine.
Those things in the car that make the car bounce up and down.
Is that something that lifts something? I know they have them in the mall when you want to get something about it.
There's the car bouncy things. Can you think of other things that use hydraulics?
Yeah, and no.
Shelley, what do you know about hydraulics?
You tell me.
What makes hydraulics hydraulics?
Liquid pressure.
It's liquid pressure, that's right. Hydraulic, hydro's water.
Yeah, that's right. That's true.
The first hydraulic fluid was water, now there's lots of different ones. But hydraulics is the use of liquids to do mechanical tasks.
No way.
I have here a state-of-the-art Science in the City hydraulic system. What's inside the hydraulic system?
As you said,
Liquid.
Liquid, in this case, water. Shelley, if you push on one of those plungers, what happens to the plunger over here?
It's lifting up.
It's going up, right? If I push back, like make yours go up. You're exerting pressure, exerting a force to do work, to move the liquid, right? Are you ready for the competition part of the segment? The hydraulic smackdown.
Yeah.
Wow! Here's what I've got. I have a three-ended hydraulic system, okay? With a little cylinder, a bigger cylinder, and a biggest cylinder, okay? You're the tallest, so I'll give you the biggest one.
Right.
You want the big boy? Okay. I'll give you the medium-sized one, and you get the little guy. Okay. Here's the rules. When I give you the go, everybody pushes down with their thumbs on their plunger. First one to the bottom is the winner, okay? You all think you can do it? Okay. 3, 2, 1, go! Go! Oh, look at me. Michelle smoked you guys. She smoked you. Oh, look. Oh, wow. Julian, how you doing?
Not very well.
That's so. You appear to be losing. Are you going down any?
Not really.
I think you're going the wrong
way.
You're going the wrong way. Is it the video game thumb, or is there some sort of mechanical advantage going on?
Mechanical advantage?
Oh, I thought it was your thumb.
No.
No. You're right. There's some mechanical advantage here. Now it's time to move into the science. Let's look at two plungers here. Amy, you take that one there. When you exert pressure, the pressure is equal through the whole system. You can't amplify the pressure, but you can magnify or amplify the force. And when you apply the force on that area, it's amplified by how much larger this size is here, this plunger is here. This is about 5 times the surface area of that plunger. If this plunger has 5 times the surface area of this plunger, that means you get 5 times the force exerted on this side as you start with this. Yeah, but there's a trade-off. And I want you to push that one all the way down and watch how far this one moves. How far do you think this is going to move?
Not very far.
Not very far. Let's try it. Push it down. Yeah, it barely moved, right? There's a trade-off. And the trade-off is, in order to get 5 times the force over here, you've got to push it 5 times further. This one's kind of long and light. Light pressure, but you got to push it a long way.
Yes.
And this one, you get lots of force out, but it doesn't go as far. If you're going to lift something heavy, which would you put under the heavy thing, and which end would you push on?
You put this on a heavy thing and you push on that end.
Absolutely. Let's put it to the test. I just so happen to have a nice heavy tank of water here.
Okay.
Since we're dealing with hydraulics, it seems appropriate to use water. So I'm going to lift this up.
Some help with that, sir?
Oh, no, never. Andrew, your job is to hold the plunger underneath the aquarium, nice and solid, so that when he applies the force, the plunger will go up. And Julian, you're in charge of lifting the tank.
Sounds
okay,
good.
so let's see if we can use our hydraulic system here. Oh, piece of cake! Look at that. Is it hard to lift or easy to lift?
Pretty easy.
Yeah, pretty easy. Michelle, why is it easy for Amy to lift?
It's because of the mechanical advantage of the hydraulic.
We started with a hydraulic system, right?
Yep.
Hydraulic system uses liquids to do mechanical tasks, right? And we use liquids because they don't compress. And the mechanical advantage comes from the difference in surface area between the two pistons. The small surface area here is amplified into much larger force on the large surface area of this plunger, but the trade-off is you've got to push the small one a lot further to get this guy to move. A walk in the park.